Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Diverse Community channel. Eid al-Adha might be behind us, but the spirit of peace, thankfulness and togetherness it brings stays with us always. Here at the Diverse Community channel, we celebrate our tradition all year long, and that absolutely includes the beautiful essence of Eid. That's why I recently reached out to all of you on social media and the community WhatsApp groups. I asked you to share a special message that captures the essence of Eid for you. And let me tell you, the response was amazing. Today's video is all about showcasing these messages from our incredible community members. Just a note, we'll be featuring them in random orders, so get ready for a heartwarming journey through the spirit of Eid together.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। সকলকে জানাচ্ছি ঈদ উল-আযহার শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন। ঈদ মোবারক। তাকাব্বালাল্লাহু মিন্না ওয়া মিনকুম। এই কমিউনিটির সকল সদস্যবৃন্দ দেশে বিদেশে এবং যে যেখানে আমাদের মুসলমান ভাই বোনেরা আছে সকলকে ঈদ উল-আযহার এই আত্মত্যাগের শুভেচ্ছা এবং অভিনন্দন। সকলের জীবন সুন্দর হোক এবং আত্মত্যাগের মহিমা সবার জীবন উদ্ভাসিত হোক এই কামনা করছি।
ঈদ মোবারক। Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak.
I would like to wish the whole of the Muslim Ummah Eid Mubarak.
পুলিশ ইন্ডিয়ান টেকের পক্ষ থেকে বিশ্বের সকল মুসলমান ভাই বোনদেরকে জানাই ঈদ উল-আযহার শুভেচ্ছা। ঈদ মুবারক।
Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak to all the Muslim Ummah around the world and have a great day with families.
Hi everybody, I'm Lorraine, one of your local councillors in Town Ward. Just like to wish you Eid Mubarak.
As the beautiful crescent moon graces the night sky, filling the air with enticing aroma of festive dishes, the spirit of Eid al-Adha takes hold of our community. This is a time for immense joy, for reflecting on our blessing and of course including some delicious treats.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish each and every single person out there a wonderful, wonderful day. And to all our brothers and sisters around the world, Eid Mubarak. Everybody stay safe, stay well.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি ইয়াওর মিয়া ইউনাইটেড রুটসের পক্ষ থেকে ইউকে সহ বিশ্বের সকল মুসলিম ভাই বোনদেরকে জানাই ঈদ উল-আযহার শুভেচ্ছা। ঈদ বয়ে নিয়ে আসুক আপনার আমার সবার জীবনে অনাবিল সুখ, শান্তি, সমৃদ্ধি, সাম্য, সৌহার্দ্য এবং ভ্রাতৃত্ব এই প্রত্যাশা করছি।
Assalamu alaikum. Eid al-Adha is a time of spiritual renewal and unity. As a treasurer of United Roots, I am honored to share this joyous occasion with you. May Allah's blessings be upon you and your family always. Eid Mubarak.
Eid al-Adha, or the festival of sacrifice, falls on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah in the Islamic lunar calendar. It follows the completion of Hajj and commemorates Prophet Ibrahim Salam's unwavering faith and willingness to sacrifice his son for Allah Almighty. The celebration lasts 2 to 4 days and includes Qurbani, where animals are sacrificed with meat shared with family, friends and those in needs.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. বিশ্বের মুমিন মুসলমান যে যেখানে আছেন সবাইকে জানাই ঈদ মুবারক। যারা কুরবানি দিয়েছেন সবাই কুরবানির জন্য আল্লাহ কবুল করেন, আমিন।
Wishing you peace, happiness and prosperity. Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum. As chair of the North Lincolnshire Press Club, UK, I'm honored to celebrate Eid al-Adha with our vibrant community that cherish this occasion of sacrifice and unity. Eid Mubarak to you and your loved one.
Eid al-Adha's story inspires a vibrant celebration. Prayers, laughter and delicious feast with loved one fills the air. This joyous reunion strengthens the bonds of our community. The crescent moon of Eid shines brightly, but its light cannot reach everyone's table this year. Our heart aches for our brothers and sisters in Palestine, facing unimaginable hardship with limited access to basic necessities. Let's honor the spirit of Eid by sharing our blessings, not just with feasts but act of compassion. May their struggle be eased, and may the joy of Eid remind us of our shared humanity. Eid al-Adha is even more special when we celebrate it together as a community. Let's hear some more heartwarming Eid messages from our community members.
On behalf of American Solution, and to say Eid Mubarak to my client and Muslim Ummah. Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum. Wishing everyone a very happy Eid Mubarak. Enjoy your Eid and pray for Muslim Ummah. Thank you very much.
Eid Mubarak to all Muslim community of Scunthorpe and all over the globe. From myself and Scunthorpe Education and Cultural Association and Bangladeshi Welfare Association of North Lincolnshire.
Assalamu alaikum. পবিত্র ঈদ উল আজহা আনন্দ ছড়িয়ে পড়ুক সবার জীবনে। এই ঈদ বয়ে আনুক সুখ, শান্তি ও অনাবিল সমৃদ্ধি। সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি ঈদ মোবারক।
Eid al-Adha, like the beautiful sunset, may have set for now, but the light and the warmth it brought lingers on. Let's carry on the spirit of this special time, the joy, the thankfulness, and the strengthened bond with us as we move forward. We'd love for you to continue celebrating with us. Subscribe to our diverse community channel for more content that highlights the beauty of our diverse community. From all of us here, Eid Mubarak.